Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome to White Coat Dream. In today's lecture, we'll cover cell biology, cell definition, DNA, nucleus, and plant cell versus animal cell. So let's get started. What is a cell? A cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of life. It's like the basic building block for all living things. Your muscles, bones, skin, everything is made of cells. The human body has trillions of cells, but they're so tiny you can't see them without a microscope. Every cell has three main parts: a plasma membrane outer covering, cytoplasm jelly-like fluid inside, and a nucleus or nucleoid which controls the cell. Types of cells. 1. Prokaryotic cells. No true nucleus. DNA floats in the cytoplasm. Example, bacteria, archaea. 2. Eukaryotic cells have a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Example, animal, plant, fungal cells. Components. Cell envelope, outer layer, includes cell wall and cell membrane in some cells. Cytoplasm, fluid inside with organelles like mitochondria. Ribosomes, Golgi apparatus. These do functions like energy production and protein making. Nucleus contains DNA and controls cell activities. Decoyar, cell MATLAB life concepts chode unit high. Is high humara pura body bana high muscles, bones, organ seb. Humari body main trillions of cells hain. Parin chode hod hain ki dina microscope kedikt high nahi. Har cell k are basically three chizine hodi hain. 1. Plasma membrane, bahar ka cover, highs ek packet. 2. Cytoplasm, ander ka jelly hysa liquid jism chocho parts hod hain. 3. Nucleus, dumag hysa, jo cell control karda high. Agar nucleus nahi hito usko nucleoid ket hain. Cell kada types hod hain. Prokaryotic cell, jism nucleus nahi hoda. Bus bacteria hides simple cells. Eukaryotic cell, jism proper nucleus or organelles hod hain. Hides animal, plant, fungus cells, or components kibat kurinto. Cell wall and membrane, bahar key protection. Cytoplasm, jism mitochondria. Ribosomes hides organelles com card hain, energy banad hain, protein banad hain. Nucleus, DNA rakta high or cell cochelata high. Basically, cell co samaj loto puri biology samaj ane lacti high. Kyanki hi life ka foundation high. Next, nucleus. What is the nucleus? The nucleus is a structure located near the center of a eukaryotic cell. It contains the cell's DNA and acts as the control center for all cellular activities. 1. Nuclear envelope, double-layered membrane that surrounds the nucleus. 2. Nuclear pores, small holes in the envelope that allow materials to move in and out. 3. Nucleolus, a dense region inside the nucleus that makes ribosomes. 4. Chromatin DNA wrapped around proteins. When the cell divides, chromatin condenses into chromosomes. 5. Chromosomes, structures that carry genetic information. If the cell is a factory, the nucleus is the asterisk control room asterisk. It stores instructions and manages everything. Deco, nucleus cell kadu magya control room hodahai. Ye cell kebich main hodahai or isk ander DNA vaka hodahai. DNA high batata high ki cell ko kikarna high hab badna high. KAB protein banana high sab. Nuclear envelope nucleus ka is paz ka double layer cover. Nuclear pores is cover main ched hod hain. Just chizine ander bahar yadi hain. Nucleolus yehen ribosomes banti hain. Chromatin, DNA ka loose form. Jab cell divide hoda hai to yitait ho ke chromosomes ben jada hai. Chromosomes, DNA cap packed bundles, jin humara genetic info hoda hai. Factory main hizek control room hoda hai jo sapho order dita hai. Ways high cell main nucleus sapho control karda hai. Next, DNA. What is DNA? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It is the genetic material passed from one generation to the next. Think of it as the blueprint that tells living organisms how to grow, develop, and function. DNA has two strands twisted into a double helix shape. Each strand is made of repeating units called nucleotides. A nucleotide has 3 parts. 1. Phosphate group. 2. Sugar group, deoxyribose. 3. Nitrogen base, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Base pairing. Adenine always pairs with thymine T, and guanine G always pairs with cytosine C. DNA MATLAB, a deoxyribonucleic acid. Yihimari body ka genetic material high, jo parents SC bokshan tak jada high. Simple bolo to yek blueprint high jo batata high ki tumher bal kai's hong. Anka color kya hoga, sab kuch. Structure samjo. DNA do lambi chains SC bani hodi. Hi jo ek deser kauron gumti hain. Isco double helix cat hain. Har chain chochot units SC banti high jinko nucleotide cat hain. Ek nucleotide main 3 cheesine hodi hain. 1. Phosphate group, ek teraka chemical group. 2. Sugar, deoxyribose, namka sugar. 3. Nitrogen base to 4 types hod hain. A T, G, C. A hamisha T SE jada high, or G hamisha C SE. EC co-base pairing cat hain. Yahi DNA nucleus kander hoda high. Or yahi humari traits, or functions co-control karda high. Today's last topic. Common organelles present in both plant and animal cells have these parts. Nucleus controls cell activities. Mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell, produces energy. Ribosome, site of protein synthesis. Golgi apparatus, packages and transports proteins. Endoplasmic reticulum, Rus makes proteins, smooth makes lipids. Cell membrane, controls what goes in and out. Cytoplasm, jelly-like fluid where organelles float. Peroxisome, detoxifies harmful substances. Exclusive to plant cell. 1. Cell wall made of cellulose gives structure and protection. 2. Chloroplast contains chlorophyll, site of photosynthesis. 3. Large central vacuole stores water and keeps cell turgid. 4. Amyloplast stores starch. Asterisk exclusive to animal cell. Asterisk. 1. Centrioles help in cell division. 2. Microtubules, part of cytoskeleton, help with shape and movement. 3. Lysosomes present in most animal cells, digest waste. Rare in plant cells. 4. Small vacuoles, multiple small vacuoles instead of one large one. Deco, plant or animal cell main coffee cheesine common hain, porkuch alig behain. Dono main common hain. Nucleus, dimakaisa, sab control karda high. Mitochondria, energy banata high. Islai powerhouse ket hain. Ribosome, protein benane key factory. Golgi apparatus, packaging or delivery com. Cytoplasm, jelly hyso liquid jizz sab organelles tert hain. Cell membrane, gatekeeper, kia ander jayaga nahi decide karda high. Surf plant cell main hoda high. 1. Cell wall, cellulose key bunny hard wall. Islai plant sita kata reda high. 2. Chloroplast, isn chlorophyll hoda high. Islai photosynthesis hoda high, or plants hera dicta high. 3. Bata vacuole, pani store karda high, plant hotite racta high. 4. Amyloplast, starch store karn kalai. Surf animal cell main hoda high. 1. Centriole cell divide hone main help cart hain. 2. Microtubule cell co-shaped deed hain, or movement main help cart hain. 3. Lysosomes, kakra soft cart hain. 4. Chode vacuoles, multiple chode vacuoles hot hain. Yad rakni ka trick. Plant cell equals cell wall plus chloroplast plus beta vacuole. Animal cell equals centrioles plus ziada lysosomes. That's all for today's lecture. Practice your MCQs and revise today's topic. Follow White Coat Dream for daily MDCAT lectures, notes, MCQs, and premium guest papers. See you in the next lecture. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.